Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could transform your entertainment setup at home, the Furinno Turn-N-Tube No Tools 3D 3-tier entertainment TV stand. We discovered this gem online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The Furinno Turn-N-Tube is a compact TV stand designed to accommodate televisions up to 50 inches. Its sleek, open-frame design not only provides ample storage space but also ensures that your entertainment essentials are organized without cluttering your living area. With its wood grain texture, it brings a warm, modern aesthetic that can complement various decor styles, making it a versatile addition to your home. One of the standout features of this TV stand is its no-tool assembly. That's right. You won't need any extra tools or skills to put this unit together. The simple structure allows for a quick setup, and with the included instructions, you can have it ready in about 20 minutes. Just remember to tighten each post as you assemble it to ensure the overall stability of the stand. In terms of dimensions, the stand measures 11.70 inches in depth, 43.80 inches in width, and 16.20 inches in height. It's designed to support up to 40 pounds on the top shelf and 10 pounds on the lower shelves, with an overall capacity of 50 pounds. This makes it sturdy enough to hold not just your TV, but also media players, gaming consoles, and even decorative items. The open 3-tier layout is another highlight. The broad top panel provides a perfect space for your TV, while the two lower shelves offer additional storage for your media devices and more. This design keeps everything accessible and visible, which is especially useful if you have multiple devices connected. Whether you place it in your living room, bedroom, or even a home office, this stand adapts seamlessly to your needs. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're living in a smaller space, such as an apartment or a cozy room, this compact TV stand is an excellent choice. It's perfect for individuals or families who want to maximize their space without sacrificing style or functionality. Gamers will appreciate the ease of access to their consoles, while movie buffs will love having their media players neatly organized. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a movie night with friends. This stand provides a solid base for your TV while keeping your streaming device or Blu-ray player within reach. Alternatively, if you're working from home, it can serve as a stylish and functional base for your monitor, allowing you to keep your workspace tidy. The soft corners of the stand also ensure that it's safe around children or pets, making it a family-friendly option. In summary, the Furinno Turn-N-Tube No Tools 3D 3-tier entertainment TV stand is a practical, stylish solution for anyone looking to enhance their media setup. With its easy assembly, sturdy build, and ample storage, it caters to various needs and spaces. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or simply someone looking to declutter your living area, this TV stand could be an ideal fit for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.